Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur, IPFM and Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC have submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Manipur Governor seeking public clarification on the present status of suspension of operations SoO agreement with KUKI armed groups. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, IPFM Chief Advisor Asankashar said the deadline of SoO PACT ended on February 29, 2024 and later re-extended on September 4, 2025. He alleged KUKI armed groups of threatening civilians even in the presence of security forces, carrying out violent activities, destroying forests and expanding poppy cultivation and drug trade taking advantage of the SoO PACT. He further alleged that the SoO agreement has emboldened KUKI militants rather than ensuring peace and has adversely affected indigenous communities, stating that there have been numerous incidents of SoO ground rules violation. Asankashar urged the government of India to seriously review the SoO extension agreement signed on September 4 last year and make the current status of SoO transparent to the public.
Foothills ki area kharada yamna hojik akoi da threat chauna leba aki akhang phaholiba pandaba thoklaliba maya punamakse gari chatpada lutpa thra tawba aduga mi lamda khunda naga area singda eta encroach tawraga popi mayam thadana khotana hojik mai thai thade haina tawba punamakase akoi particular oina hainingde adubu masi SoO hairiba agreement asigi maramna oiraga punamakse akoi chauthokluga thokhibadagi ngasi Manipurda yamna akaiba ma akoi da pibire habagi tamakta akoi da Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji da aduga Governor of Manipurda masigi SoO gi agreement 2008 da tawkhiba mayam se public da detail ama status ama phajana pibiyo.